Hi, I'm Dennis at TeraFlex, and today we're going to take a deep dive into the new JL heavy-duty hinge spare tire carrier and adjustable spare tire mount. The wait is over. I'll tell you, it was worth it. But there's been some serious engineering that's gone into this spare tire mounting system, so this is going to take some explaining. Now, to do that, we brought in Casey, one of our high-powered TeraFlex engineers, to give us some of the processes that went into the JL Alpha hinged carrier.
We kept the same hinge pin and bearing bushing structure that the JK used, since that worked really well. So we used the same coatings, the same test requirements. Those are OEM-based requirements.
That's a good call. Because the JK hinge tire carrier flat changed the way we all carry our spare tires. No more bumper choice restricting mounting with two-hand swing out openings. I love the TeraFlex easy one-hand operation, and it's now an industry standard. What a blessing in our lives.
The difference is the JK bolts on to the outside of the body where the JL bolts on internally. You know, from our research, we found that with the JL, people are going to bigger tires, heavier tires, so we definitely wanted to make improvements over the JK.
And when I first laid eyes on the new design, the added beef was obvious.
The more material you have there, essentially, the more stiffness you're going to have. So adding that extra material to extend further is definitely going to provide more stiffness for the tailgate.
The carrier itself is massive, and the hinges look huge.
We made a one-piece forged hinge to bolt to the body to help reinforce the body side. We extended the reinforcement further across the tailgate to add more stiffness to the tailgate to support those larger tires.
These new Jeeps don't seem to have a straight body panel on them, and the tailgate is no exception. The whole thing has a curve to it, and that took some work.
We did a lot of analyses to determine the shape and the rib structure and the backside of the reinforcement. It wasn't just modeling what looks good. We actually spent time to make sure the shape and design was optimized for the stiffness across the tailgate to pick up more mounting locations and really reinforce the tailgate.
It has that amazing TeraFlex fit and finish, and our engineers did a great job of building a product that's not only functional, but also looks great. Looks like there's some pretty cool plans in the work to add accessories to the Alpha carrier.
So there's a few sets of holes. One set that's specifically designed for the TeraFlex high lift jack mount that also can mount the CB mount and CB and antenna mount. Another set of holes is, depending on if the customer has maybe a really low backspacing wheel, they can add tire bumpers in there to help support the tire. And then there's a set of holes across the top where we made kind of a flat mounting surface, and that's really intended kind of for the customer if they want to make their own accessories and mount there. We're definitely will be future products from TeraFlex to mount to those holes.
This is an easy install. There's no drilling.
All bolt on. You have all the stickers and plugs and everything required to install it. You know, we put together a really clear set of instructions step by step to help customers nail the adjustment on that so it closes really nice.
One of the allowable adjustments is to make your spare tire clear whatever or whoever's bumper you might have on, installed on your Jeep. It's an easy, straightforward process. Now, if you already have the TeraFlex JL Alpha adjustable spare tire mount kit with brake light and camera mounts, it'll of course easily bolt up to the new hinged carrier. Now, when the Alpha mount and hinged carrier are combined, you just put together a solid, easy open tailgate protecting assembly that will easily handle that 40-inch tire you had your eye on. But what if you only plan on running a smaller size tire? Not a problem. Our spare tire relocation bracket will do the trick. Or just run the Alpha adjustable spare tire mount as a standalone option. That works. Now, we wisely combined the adjustable mount with the heavy-duty TeraFlex hinge spare tire carrier for ultimate tailgate protection and total confidence, even with a 40-inch tire swinging on the TeraFlex forged steel hinged brackets and hardened steel 5/8 hinge pins. Try to say that fast. Not many can. I did. This brings a whole new meaning to TeraFlex has your back.